Hi guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here.
Have you ever been in this situation? The vinyl wasn't big enough for the design? What would you do? Recut the whole another one? Today let us share you a simple tip to fix that. As you can see, the design was missing. To fix that, first select the object. Hide the parts to remove, you'll be left with the part to recut. Use a small piece of vinyl to recut just that small missing detail. And that's how to fix a Cricut fail. What do you want us to make more videos? Please leave your comment at the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.